Hi everyone, welcome back. Today we will be reacting to Chanel's Spring Summer 2022 collection, and I am so excited. This collection launches in March-ish and April-ish. It almost feels like spring is right around the corner. Please stick around to see what goodies are coming up, as well as my thoughts and reactions to them. So without further ado, let's get into it. Jennie from Blackpink. She's the spokesperson. I've been seeing a lot of K-pop people recently who have been becoming a part of the brand's main ambassador line, such as Jennie from Blackpink and Jisoo from Blackpink as well, but for Dior. This black and white noir is interesting. Oh, here we go. Fashion show.
Question.
Just look.
Cool, please. Just for a minute.
It almost seems like they're over-accessorizing. There's two bags she is carrying. And I do like that handbag. Cute. It does a little top handle. Seems very like beach-oriented. The bigger bag. Seems like bigger bags are kind of coming back, yet the trend of mini bags is still persisting. A lot of those chain thin belt trends. Ever since the 2000s, we've really bounced back hard from the big wide belt trend to more skinny strap chain belts. Ooh, I like that mesh skirt. It really adds something interesting. Everything is very bare leg. Ooh, look at that oversized chain on that. Definitely be more of a seasonal trend. Though chains have been big. Vanity bag. I like the ear cuffs. I also like the little cutouts by the underpants braiding a little higher. The little mini Chanel pearl bag reminds me of the classic flop they came out with. Now this is definitely something a little bit less in character. This kind of blazer coat jacket that's more coverage. Up until this point, we've seen a lot of skin or swimsuit styles. I do not like this plasticky look. Purple bag. Yeah, I do not like plasticky material. Oversized chain again. Tweed Chanel jacket set. I do not like the gold shirt. Ah, I hate the leggings she's wearing underneath that. Yes, I actually like this. This one is nice. The bag is kind of cute, actually. It's a little square bag with a clutch clasp. This gives me like very edgy robe vibes. I don't like the cropped capri pants though. 2000s. I'm not a fan of the one shoulder moment on that. The other arm is too baggy. Again with the leggings, Virginie. No. The bag wasn't too bad. I like this sort of navy sailor moment. A lot of glitter and stripes in black and white. Not very reminiscent of spring summer, other than possibly some beach vibes. Gives me slight navy vibes. some layering happening so far in some of these items. The dress is pretty plain, actually. Ooh, pastel yellow bag. Oh, the Chanel No. 5 bottle. Minaudiere, that's gonna be collector's piece. The yellow is reminiscent of the 22C collection that has a few yellow bags. More stripes. Suspenders were interesting as a choice. Stripes. What was she thinking? That does not match the rest of the collection at all. In these colors. This just seems like a weird mashup in this collection of different themes of stripes and variation on stripes now. It was the black and white stripes, maybe pinstripe, and now. Ooh, the heart bag. You know, I have actually been her bag and her clothes match. Similar here as well, the bags and the clothes match. Gosh, that little mini heart bag is adorable. I actually dig this drop waist. It's cute. Foxy silhouette. This is actually also cute as well. Twiggy vibes. Seen quite a few literally. And probably the end now. I definitely went through a variety of looks. Something a little bit more poppy, sexy and young. Something a little bit more mature and chic and businessy. This is a lot of looks. It doesn't even seem like one cohesive collection, but actually rather a series of themes that have been stitched together into one collection. Visiony. And that, my ladies and gents, was Chanel's 2021 Spring Summer Ready to Wear collection. And I think there will be another release later on of handbags and small other goods, as well as potentially more details on what accessories there are available. But I am definitely excited for the pastel shades that they had shown, and some of the tweed jacket designs in this collection were pretty cute as well. We'll have to see when they actually drop the collection what else they haven't shown us. But this collection was interesting. I wasn't a fan of all of the looks personally, but there were some that I could see some beauty in them. The thing that kind of struck me most about this fashion show was the recurring themes, such as the theme initially of the grouping of these beachy black and white outfits that were shorter cut, showing a lot of skin, more swimsuit, sporty type looks, and then it transitioned into like a more naval position with like the pinstripes, and then it transitioned into these black outfits, and then variations of 2 different or 3 different striped outfit pairs with the same colors, but in different stripes. And then they went to this butterfly collection theme where the top was black and then the bottom is this colorful butterfly, fluttery, flowing texture to the item, which to me in a way makes sense because spring, summer, butterflies. What is a better thing out there to represent that than that? The bags itself did not seem plentiful. They mainly showed a lot of their seasonal bags, not so much their more classic line, which they usually do have. But I am happy that they are highlighting their seasonal bags more, which I feel like should be more appreciated. Our lives shouldn't always be centered around one single type of bag. There is more variety out there, and Chanel is definitely exploring that through their seasonal bags, which there was a few that I thought were cute, like the rounded box, hill-shaped box with a little clutch clasp at the top with a thin chain evening bag, which I thought was cute. And everyone right now is actually, I heard, raving about the pink or the purple heart bags with the flap, as you saw. And maybe I can insert a photo here. But I honestly am not a fan of that bag because it just looks awkward. It's like they took a heart shape, made it into a bag, and slapped a Chanel classic flap on it. Literally, the flap of the classic flap onto the bag, which is awkward to me because I'm so used to seeing the classic flap as a rectangular shape. Like, to literally make this bottom part of the classic flap not a rectangle anymore, but to cut out these two corners and then add a little triangle to make it a full triangle heart shape and add two curved shapes of the heart up here, to me just seems so strange and abnormal. I'm personally not a fan. I feel like it'll wear out pretty quick after this collection. And ladies and gentlemen, that is my controversial opinion of the day. Leave me down in the comments section below what your thoughts are. If you disagree with me, please let me have it. Let this be a productive conversation on why you think so. If you love couture, style, and analysis as much as we do here, I do weekly videos, aka CSA, and if you want to get more of that hot off the press, then please go down and subscribe and turn on the bell to get notifications weekly for your CSA, PSA hot off the press. And until our next video, thanks for watching. Bye.